Hello friends, we will try to make this kind of comb. It's very simple model. So let's start. Firstly, we will choose the top plane, sketch command. Just draw one center rectangle. Select this smart dimension command so that we can give dimensions to it. Select 150. All the dimensions are in mm. This length you should keep as 7. Okay. Then feature extrude boss. Extrude it up to 5. Try extruding it as mid plane. Okay, for better visibility you can change the background. I have selected white. Now go on this side of the job and try sketch on it. If you press spacebar you will get a orientation tab in which you can select the front view. Now draw a corner rectangle here. So SolidWorks give you this kind of features. If you right click and hold it, you will be able to see this kind of a circle in which you can select many commands. So if I press right click and hold it and then press it towards this, I will automatically select the smart dimension command. So now you can give this as 5. It is coincident to both the edges, and the thickness of this whole plate is 5 mm, so it is automatically set. This we can set to 4 mm, and then select OK. Draw a center line and select this sketch and press mirror entity. So it will ask you entities to mirror is this entity, and to mirror about, that is like the reflection has to fall where, which is this. So if you can see clearly, it has appeared here. Now press OK. Now click features, extruded boss. Now you can do it till 20 mm and click on draft angle. Draft angle, if you want to know what is draft angle is you can reduce the linearly reduce the angle of whole job at the end. I have kept it at 4 degree, which is not looking right. I will do it at 3 degree. Now it is fine, and at the same time this is also both the edges of the comb. Okay, now we have formed both the edges of the comb. The second thing we have to do is the internal small edges. Click on sketch, then go normal to that plane, select a corner rectangle and click draw a rectangle having the 1.5 as one side, and this side is automatically 5 as it is coincident to both the edges. Then click OK. Click on feature, do this. Usually click on draft. 3 degrees is too much because it is not matching the dimension. Click on 1 degree. 1 degree looks fine. We'll try 0.5 degree. 0.5 degree doesn't looks that fine, so we'll go with 1 degree. 1 degree of draft angle. You can also do outward. In that case, the smaller portion will be at this edge and the larger portion will be at this edge, which we don't want. So what we will do is draft inward, which is this. Then we'll click OK to this. Further, we want to repeat this pattern all across. Okay, I'll change the color of whole body so that you guys will be able to understand it easily. Medium gloss plastic, I'll choose yellow color. Okay, okay. So what we will do is we'll fillet these edges at 1 mm, both the sides. Okay, 1.5. Okay, this looks good design. And then we will try to repeat this whole pattern till this point. To do that, you guys have to select linear pattern direction. In this specific direction we want to go, then we have to select features to fillet. In this you can go here and select this as well as this filleting, and these two operations we want to do. Now it is asking in the direction of edge 1. This is edge 1 direction 5, how many we want, and this shows how much distance we want between them. So we'll keep distance as 2 mm. That is right. This looks fine. Now we can increase the number until we reach that edge. Okay, this looks fine. So if we press OK, we have got a very crude version of our comb. Now we'll add some few fillets and it will start looking like a real comb. And here you can choose up to 3 mm. 3 mm, I think 5 mm will also work. Okay, this looks more like a fillet. We will also these edges at 1 mm. This will reduce its height, but in that case we'll try using 0.5 fillet. And okay, same for this fillet, all the 4 edges, and this is it. Okay, here is how our comb looks. You can do any kind of modification. If you want to write something on this surface, go to sketch and then face to that specific part where you want to write something, then give one reference line to it. Try keeping it in center. Coincident. Okay, now we can select this text. You can write SolidWorks comb design. So in this case it is upside down. We can change its angle. Okay, here it is. So basically we selected this line here so that it was in reference to it. We This looks fine. We can do a simple 1 mm cut on this. Okay, this is how it looks now. Then you can change the color there, and now this is how it will look. That's it, guys. Now we are ready to do the rendering of our model. For that you have to go to render tool and then click on preview window. So before rendering, it is always preferred to see the product in preview window so that we can get an idea that this corner is now will not come if we start rendering. We have to little move it towards the left hand side. Again, do the preview. Okay, now it looks fine. So in that case, you can click on final render and a window will open, which may take some time depending upon uh, how fast your system is. It will show the complete pixel level forming of the whole comb. This is the best feature of SolidWorks which I like. There are many features like this. SolidWorks is one of the very powerful software in mechanical engineering. It can save your cost in designing any project before you actually make any physical part and then test it. This software worth learning. This process is called rendering process. This makes the product look real. Okay, the render is now complete. You can save this image. As whatever name you want. I will save this as comb 2. Save and close this image. Close this. If you want another view of the same, you can choose this different views or very closed view or any other kind of view if you want, and then you can render it. That's it, guys. This is how you can easily make a comb. Meet you in next tutorial. Till the time, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. All the best. Good day.